Today, we will be going over how to install your EcoHitch on your Kia Sportage. To start, remove the rear panel on the underside of the vehicle by removing the 4 clips and 3 nuts. This panel will not be reinstalled. Attach the hardware to the bolt fissure, inserting it into the large frame hole just forward of the exhaust hanger on the driver's side. Gently pull on the bolt fissure until the threads of the bolt protrude down through the washers and frame. For the next step, we recommend having 2 people. Prepare the metric hardware and raise the hitch into position, being careful not to push the 1/2-inch bolts back into the frame. Assemble 4 more sets of metric hardware. Insert the bolts through the 2 holes in each hitch side plate and thread them into the sides of the vehicle's frame. While holding the hitch in position, thread the 2 M10 bolts into the vertical holes in the frame. Secure each previously installed 1/2-inch bolt with the proper hardware. When you're ready to use your EcoHitch, slide the adapter into the hitch receiver, securing it with the provided 5/8 hardware. Always make sure to retorque before each use. Torque the hardware to the proper foot-pounds.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.